Hi, today I'll be showing how to make this healthy and nutritious homemade pap. So let's get started. So I'll be using just 3 ingredients for this pap recipe. I'll be using millets. I'll be using 2 cups of millets. I would also be using soya beans. I'll be using half cup of soya beans for this pap. Also, I'll be using ginger. I'll be using 2 fingers of ginger for this pap. When you'll be making this pap for a baby, you can reduce the ginger quantity. So for a start, I'm going to soak the millet for 12 to 18 hours. For this recipe, I soak the millet for 18 hours, but you can soak it for 12 hours. Also, I have diced and washed the ginger I'll be using. Also, I have peeled the soya beans and soaked it till it's double in size. You can see how clean and how well soaked the soya beans look. So now, after I've done these 3 steps, I'm going to pour everything in a blender and blend everything till it is smooth. If you don't have a strong blender, you can go to your local mill to get it blended. I'm going to add enough water and blend this till it's smooth. So the next step now is to pour in some water in a big bowl, then place in the chiffon cloth that we'll use to sieve out the pap milk. So now I'm going to pour into the chiffon cloth the blended ingredients. This method will help make sieving out the pap. As you can see, I'm gently squeezing out the milk from the shafts. So you have to be careful so you don't create a lot of mess. Can you see how creamy the pap milk looks? So this pap is healthy. It can be consumed by babies. It can be consumed by adults. So it is very easy to make. Just get your millet, your ginger and your soya beans. But for babies, don't put in too much ginger. So look at how creamy it looks. I'm done sieving out the pap milk. I've separated that from the shaft. Now I'm going to set this aside overnight for the pap to settle down. This is the next day. The pap has settled, so I'm going to just pour out the water. Add whatever you want to add to it to spice things up. I hope you find this recipe easy and straightforward for you to make. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll do well by responding to your question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye.